Let's put the toys away. Let's put the toys away.
Look at this mess.
Already.
Let's put the toys away.
Pick up the blocks.
Pick up the blocks.
1, 2, 3.
Pick up the blocks.
Where does this one go?
Where does this one go?
Over there, in the box. It goes in the box.
Put it in the box.
Put it in the box.
Plop.
Put it in the box.
Can you help mommy?
Can you help mommy?
Yes, I help.
I can help mommy.
Put the books on the shelf.
Put the books on the shelf.
I got them.
Put the books
on the shelf. Almost done.
Almost done.
Almost done.
The room looks so nice.
The room looks so nice.
Ooh.
The room looks so nice. You're such a good helper.
Such a good helper.
I'm a good helper.
I'm a good helper.
Thank you for helping.
Thank you for helping. I love you, mommy.
Thank you for helping.